In this video we will look at the customer account control window. As this is a master file, we access this from the Control Center section by opening up the Customer Control Center window, like so. We are now looking at the Customer Account Control Center window. You will notice that the layout of this window is very similar to the Product Control Center window that we looked at in the previous video. For this reason, we will not go through the browser options that we have already explained. We will start by going to the first page of our tab control, Customer Groups. This page is showing us customer groups, and these groups work in a similar way to product groups that we have already looked at. You will notice that we have a number of Tesco stores showing in our browser. These all belong to the Tesco group that I have highlighted. If I use the radio button to show details for a selected group, you will see that we are only looking at the Tesco stores. If I select another group, I will see the stores that belong to that group, like so. Let's select the option that shows the details for all customers on file. The second page shows the customer's account details. This is basic information such as the customer's account number, name, address and telephone numbers. We also store an email address, a website address and a contact name. We can send this store an email by selecting the email button here. And we can open the store's website by selecting the website button. The picking priority code is used by the pick generation routines. They use these codes to determine what sequence the picking list should be generated in. AA gets first priority, while ZZ is the last in line. The two lines of delivery instructions allow you to key in information that may be of benefit to the delivery driver, as this is printed on the delivery notes. Let's move on to the financial settings page. On this page we store some values that are used in other system routines. The credit limit is used by the sales order entry routines to check that the customer is within his agreed credit limit before you place an order. The payment period is used to calculate when a customer invoice is due to be paid, and this date is printed on all customer invoices. The payment method explains itself. You will notice that this customer has a designated price band of B. We looked at price bands in the Product Control Center video, and this value is used to extract the correct sales price of products for this customer. The other two values show the customer's default discount rate and VAT rate. We will now look at the customer product file window in detail, as this is an important area of the system and warrants a little extra time to explain. The product file control window is used to set default values for all company products. There will be occasions though when you need to set specific values for a particular customer. The customer product file allows you to do that. You will see in the browser that there are a number of products that have been allocated to this customer. Values for any other company products that are not in this list will be taken from the product control window settings. You will see here that there is a prompt for a customer's own product code, which may be different to the one you are using. If you enter a value here, this code will be added to the customer's delivery note to assist in product recognition. The default sales price is taken from the product file defaults under price band B. You can amend this sales price for this customer by allocating a discount rate to it. The actual sales price is the one that will be used during sales order entry. You have the same control over the shelf life of a product that is sold by its best before date. The default value is 12 days, but this customer requires a minimum of 15 days shelf life when he receives the product. We have already looked at promotions in the product control window. Here we can set up a customer specific promotion and use an alternative sales price for this promotion period. Finally, we have the VAT rate that is to be applied to this product for this customer. If you have over 100 stores of the same company on file, it would be a cumbersome job to enter all these values for each product and each store. We have tried to make this data entry routine a little easier. So let's select to edit this product and have a look at the edit window. You will see at the bottom of this window there are two options. One is to apply your entry to the current customer only. If we select the second option, then these entries will be applied to every customer within this customer group. If there are 100 stores in this group, then all 100 of them will be updated at the same time. While we are here, we will look at the help that is available for this window. You will see that this is quite general and provides you with an overview of the window and links to other help screens. If we press the Shift and F1 key together, the pointer will show a question mark. If we move this over one of the fields and press the mouse button, we will get more specific help relating to that field. Let's return to the main window. The customer control window allows you to set a wide range of values for each customer and provides options that will allow you to maintain a customer-specific product, price and promotion file. The supplier control window includes more or less the same routines as this one, giving you good control of individual suppliers' prices, lead times and discounts. This concludes our review of the customer account control window. I hope you can see the benefits that System 22 can offer and that you will continue to review the other videos we have listed on this page.